The plan is simple. We're going to go to the
petrol station.
We're going to go to the petrol station because there's better lighting, and we're going to remove Adam's steering wheel here. It's helpful that it's closed. Can you park in the middle?
Is that better?
Yes.
Yeah. You happy now?
Yes.
Good.
Adam has just disconnected the battery.
Huh?
Have you disconnected it yet?
Not yet.
Right. Adam is disconnecting the battery.
There we go. Stay over there.
Adam has disconnected the ground from the battery. So now we can do things. And now Adam's going to turn on the ignition. And that will kill any power that will be left in her.
This is dead. See? Let's give this a go.
So here Adam is taking off all the cowling around the steering wheel. This way we can get to the back of the steering wheel and get the airbag out of the wheel a lot easier because we've got much more access room.
I don't care, I don't mind.
We did it!
Nice.
In this clip, Adam's putting an Allen key in the back of the steering wheel. There's two little holes and you put a little Allen key through that and you can lever it off, and then the airbag comes off the steering wheel just like this. Then you've just got to disconnect the terminals from it and it will come off. So we've placed the explosive just next to this petrol for the up place, so that's just there.
Oh, nice. Came off well easy. That came off worryingly easy. There we go. We have a wheel.
As straight as they can be, man. 100% they're straight. Yeah.
Good.
Adam then put the wheel boss on the steering wheel and then used his impact gun to tighten the bolt back down so we can move the wheels again. Give it a wiggle.
Straight.
The wheel for turning.
Nice.
One more time, just so we can. That's as good as it's going to get. Let's not strip the bolt.
Yep. Beautiful.
I'm going to move the airbag to the boot. That's terrifying to touch and hold. That's awful to go near, you know.
Yeah.
I thought my arm was going to get blown off.
And I had to take it off.
I know. That's good, that is. I think you should drive home like that.
Yeah. Standard, really. Where's the last screw gone, Josh?
I don't know, Adam. Where's the last screw gone? Adam, man. See, Adam, it's on the floor.
Oh, thank you.
That would have done you absolutely no favours. Adam then tightened down all the screws holding the wheel with a Torx bit so we didn't thread them with the impact gun. Are you happy?
Yes. Very. Holy shit. Feels like a go-kart. No, I'm happy.
Holy moly.
What do you think, Josh?
It's a very small steering wheel.
Yeah.
It does feel like a go-kart.
Yeah. I wonder how it
Just
feels
moving the
driving.
wheels.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
Alright, let's put everything back.
Yes.
Alright.
Good. Are we ready?
I'm ready.
I don't think I am.
Yeah, an airbag warning light.
Cool. I do indeed have an airbag warning. Right, so
Let's go for a drive.
good.
You can get the first drive, mate. How does it feel?
It feels pretty good, to be fair. I'll be able to let you know properly when we go around some corners. But right now, I'm happy. I'm not happy about the live grenade in my boot. Pretty fucking good.
Feel nimble?
Yeah.
Very switchy. It's a lot more responsive.
Yeah. A lot more. That's weird.
What?
Having it past the wheel.
This wheel definitely looks better than Adam's original ugly motherfucker of a wheel. If you liked this video, then consider liking and subscribing so you can see more videos. It really helps us out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get the wheel, there's a link in the description for one. And this has not been a tutorial, so please don't follow it as one. Alright, bye.